So everyone probably already knows this green vegetable okra is healthy for you, but they don't want to eat it because of the slimy texture it can have. So another option is to drink okra water. Now okra water is healthy and you can get many benefits from it. In this video, we'll talk about those benefits and I will show you how to flavor this okra water so it will be something delicious that you will want to drink often. So let's get to prepping. As you can see, pineapple is the answer. Pineapple is delicious and you can get a lot of flavor of the pineapple by letting it steep in water. Cool water, cold water, as we're going to do in this video, but because the okra is in there, we're going to get that mucilage that will give us many health benefits. So to start off with, we're going to use a delicious, beautiful pineapple. We're going to use a pound of okra and some water. So the first thing that I'm going to do is wash my ripe pineapple in a big bowl of cold water and white vinegar. I use white vinegar to clean all of my produce, and so basically I just pour some of the vinegar on the pineapple and then add cold water and let it soak for about 2 or 3 minutes. And you just want to make sure that you get it very clean. You can also use a veggie or fruit brush to give it a quick scrub and then rinse it off and dry it off, because we are not going to throw this skin away. We're going to save that for another recipe that I'll show you later. So all I want to do is cut open this pineapple and I want to put it in chunks or spears that will fit nicely into my glass. I like to use mason jars, so I'll find a way to slice it to fit perfectly in a mason jar. I'm being very careful with my knife, my KitchenAid knife, to cut off the skin and very little of the actual pineapple meat if possible. I go back in a second time and cut off the brown eyes that you saw on the pineapple. I like to hold my pineapple upright and cut the 4 sides off while I'm holding the core in the middle stable. So you can see the core is what's in my hand here. We're not going to throw this away either. So sit this to the side with your pineapple skins and save it for another recipe. What I'm doing now is just cutting my 4 chunks of pineapple into long spears and setting that to the side. Next up, I'm going to wash my okra, and you know what I'm going to use to wash it. With my cold water, I'm using white vinegar. So just give that a nice toss. You want to inspect your pods and make sure they're firm and don't have many blemishes. If they do have blemishes, of course, you can cut them off. I do like to cut my okra into nice sized chunks, but if you don't cut them into chunks, you can also cut them lengthwise. Kind of cute. It kind of reminds me of the name ladyfingers that some people call okra. But once you get all of your okra and all of your pineapple cut up, now you're ready to add your water. Now I am using spring water and I'm using mason jars. There are different sizes of mason jars that you can use, and it just depends on the size that you cut your fruits and vegetables of what size mason jar you should use. I like a big 32-ounce container, and I fill that with a few spears of pineapple and then a few spears of okra, or a few pieces of okra. And then I fill it to the brim with my spring water. You can use the water of your choice, and I got almost 5 32-ounce mason jar glasses, and that was almost a gallon of the spring water. So now I'm just adding my lid on. I use plastic lids as well as the original mason jar lids, and I am going to place this in my refrigerator overnight. I want to give it at least 24 hours to let the slime or the mucilage come out of the okra into the water, because I want to drink that. That's going to give me the benefits I want. And I'm going to drain it in a bowl the next day. Now this mucilage can help bind with cholesterol in your body to help lower your overall cholesterol. There's plenty of fiber in okra. It helps with inflammation in the body. It helps with your liver function, with your gut and digestion. So there are many, many benefits of drinking okra water. Now you may still feel some of the slime texture, but it's mixed with water, so it shouldn't be terrible. But the pineapple sitting in this water overnight will add that pineapple flavor to the water in a very strong way. Now, I did try to get greedy and reuse the pineapple in another jar of water the second day, but all of the flavor came out the first day, I noticed. But I had to try just to see if I could get more use out of my pineapple, and I like to drink it in a beautiful glass. There are also reported benefits of okra for female reproductive organs. If you're interested in that, then definitely do some research. In any event, stay hydrated, drink more okra water, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.